Yeah, no, your eyes don't fit in it. That's where we are right now. Woo! Good morning, world. We're on our way to Robbie's to Isla Morada.
An hour and 23 minutes.
Because we just made smoothies.
We make them every morning.
Every morning. Mine has, I think, chocolate protein, strawberries, water ice,
hemp
seeds, and
coconut milk.
Coconut milk. That's mine. What does yours have?
Mine has the same thing, just 2 different protein powders.
You have vanilla and chocolate protein.
No, I have 2 chocolates, but 1 dark chocolate and 1 keto chocolate.
Yeah.
But very good. Picking
Peter,
with the sugar smoothie. Hi.
This is Peter.
Oh.
Peter with the dab.
Peter with.
This is Corn's brother. Just a quick update because I haven't actually told you guys what we're doing today. We are, well, you know, we're on our way to the Keys. We're over halfway. We haven't got much longer left. We're going to a place called Robbie's and we are going to do kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. Oh yeah, we can't get. Ooh. Look at the. I couldn't see it. I tried. You couldn't see it. There's joy.
And joy makes us feel joy.
Wait, can you do the other side of the heart?
Yeah, my head's so big.
We made it to Robbie's. We're gonna feed the fish. Look how beautiful this is. It's such a nice day already. Peter got it. Look, we got some fishies. I would suggest if you're scared of fish, don't come here. They look, don't you reckon they look like miniature sharks? Little perfect. They're not very little. You can't get out. Watch out, Tessa, behind you. No fish.
It's my fish.
I'm like, ew. Hate you. Careful. I'm so scared. Everyone say hi to Taryn and Michaela.
Hello.
I always speak in a British accent now when I talk to you.
Is that crazy?
No, just because you give it to me. This is really hard to do one-handed. Oh, you guys have not been waiting an hour. I can't paddleboard and vlog at the same time.
Right now we are attempting to throw a blackberry. Ready? It's right there. Where? Right here. Oh. It's safe still. You can eat that.
That's a bit salty.
Honestly, we don't know where we are. We think we're here. Yeah, no, we are. And we're gonna go over there. So, let's do it.
Exhausted.
That paddle back was so tough.
That was a good workout.
I was laying on my stomach swimming.
She was mermaid. I almost jumped. I was like, is she okay? I was like, are you okay?
I was struggling.
And I realized she was just being aerodynamic.
Yes. I was struggling.
That was such a workout, but we're going to get some lunch now. What you looking at me for?
Starving. Yes, I'm
Are
starving.
you starving?
Starving.
I'm starving too, and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna have some water. All right.
I'm so confused right now. I was like, do I have to start?
Wasn't our best stop, but we stopped to get Subway on the way home because we ran out of time to get lunch at the actual restaurant because.
But we still picked out a healthy option.
We need to get home because we're going for a family dinner in Miami. I got some
Because
chicken
he can still eat carbs and not
with.
worry.
Ah! I almost dropped it. But yeah, so that's what we got for lunch. We were starving.
We're home. We have 30 minutes. Can
30 minutes.
we do it? To look really pretty because we're going to a fancy restaurant.
But we're gonna run inside, go really quickly, get ready, and
We'll catch you
we'll
at
see
Joe's
you
Stone
then.
Crabs. I am in a food coma.
we just got home from dinner. I'm in a food coma, but dinner was amazing. I just realized I didn't get any videos of dinner.
Just all you have to know is that it was really fancy.
Yeah, it was a really nice dinner, so I didn't want to be rude and just have my camera out filming, you know. So but it was amazing. If anyone ever goes to Miami, and what's it called?
Joe's Stone Crab.
Go to Joe's Stone Crab Restaurant.
And have the Brussels sprouts. You won't regret it.
That wasn't even my favorite part. Like, we had ribs and we had steak and everything. Like, everything on that menu was to die for.
Oh,
So if you ever come to Miami, go there. I 100% recommend it. We're both exhausted. Today was such a long day, but it was so much fun. And now I'm pretty much just about to fall asleep straight away.
8:30 and we're ready to go to bed.
8:30, I'm ready for bed. And NCAA is next week. Woo! So I'm gonna finish the vlog there. I'll see you in the NCAA vlog next
Like and
week.
subscribe if you liked this video.
Yes, subscribe if you like corn.
That's gonna be sad if they don't subscribe.
Say bye, Peter.